This is Brad Kilmer here, aka MaleCrystalBall, and the Queen of Burps is filming me right now, so I feel obligated to Jodie, come on, honey, show them how it's done.
Okay. Hey, you know what we could do? Which could be actually fun.
Okay.
You can give me the camera back.
Okay.
And you can open your mouth.
Okay.
And I'll burp for you.
Alright.
Okay. So open your mouth when I'm about ready to release.
How about I'll say I'll mouth.
Can't say anything. Just
No,
go
I know,
with it.
But I'll mouth what I want you to say. Like you can say you can burp. You can burp.
MaleCrystalBall.
You can do Brad Kilmer. Or no, whatever.
Hold on, it's stuck now.
Did that come off like this?
That was awesome. All right. Did you like that?
I loved it. I loved it so much.
Hey, go check out Paranormal Hot Squad.
Oh, you should totally check out the...
And the MaleCrystalBall.
Absolutely.
The Queen of Burps, Paranormal Hot Squad, and the Crystal Ball. The MaleCrystalBall.
That's right, Darlin.
Just took on Linda Vista, and we fucking tore that place up. I ain't even fucking around, okay? Like, that shit was off the charts.
Yes. I tried.
Please remove that part.
That's okay. It's funny. Right. You can leave us with a message. Hang on, let me get to Rival. Here we go. I'm shaking the camera. Hey, where am I performing at?
You are performing at the House of Blues. When?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I thought you would burp it.
Oh, I'm not burping no more. Alright.
Alright.
It's hurting my eyes.
Alright, well, thank you very much, Jodie. I've loved the fact that you've stayed here, and I've just so much enjoyed your company. And
thank you.
You're a really beautiful person inside and out, and I wish you all the success in the world, which you're going to get it, because the Paranormal Hot Squad is off the chain. I was very pleased with the footage I shot for you, and it was excellent, and you girls were absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
And
let's try it again.
Hang on. I'll say goodbye.
I did that on this show already once, and it was fucking hilarious.
All right, Jodie, I have one thing to say to you.
Yeah.
Jodie, the Queen of Burps, you are not a whore, darling.